Hello, Shorty Nat again, and today I'm going to show you how to make an earring out of a paper clip with this design. I don't know if you guys can see it. But I thought this was kind of cool. Okay, you're going to need today I'm using actual crazy glue. I'm not using nail glue today. You're going to need to get little paper clips, little small ones, and you're going to have 3 each. So a total of 6. So that's one earring, and here's the other earring. Okay. And it's pretty simple. You don't have to take it apart or stretch it out. It's just freaking making a triangle with these two. What I like to do, I like to, you know, make them look the same, and I'm going to glue the top here. And try to make them both like the same size. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay. And then you're going to glue the bottom parts right here. And any little ones, please have, please have an adult with you, please, because, yeah, we're working with crazy glue here. Make a triangle like this. I don't know if you guys could see it. I'm going to do the other one. Try to make them the same, like, the same size. I'm just getting over a cold, too, so it might sound a little weird. The only reason why I say any little ones to have family members or adults is because I have little ones myself, and they love watching YouTube videos. They just love it. But I'm glad there was a couple times that I did a few things with them that I didn't want them to do by themselves. And this is crazy glue. This won't even take long either. But the most is probably, I should say maybe about 20 minutes, hopefully. I'm gonna put myself together. Okay, so you're gonna have 4 triangle paper clips or whatever. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get both of these that you just glued, and you're gonna glue them together like this. Like this. I'm gonna glue them both together like this. Okay? Okay. Same with this one. And then again, make sure they're both the same size. You don't want one big earring and one little earring. Ah, see? It's getting stuck together on me. Imagine a little child. Not fun. Okay. I think I kind of made one small and one big, I think. Let's put the crazy glue right there. And glue it together. Now, and this crazy glue is really working really well because I've worked with crazy glues and a lot of them do not bond this quickly. And then you can, okay, so I just freaking grabbed these 2 little rings to connect the I don't know what these are called, I guess hooks. Okay. And believe it or not, it's been raining all day today. And I hope everyone had a good holiday. I know I did. Lots of leftover food. Okay. This up. And what I like about this is how it already has like a little opening right there for the earring. I think I'm gonna have to get a bigger size. Or maybe not. There. Just don't wanna mess it up. Okay. There we go. There you go. And your earring. You do it to this one too. And just to show what it looks like. Made out of a paper clip. Only took 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye.